Hi Emma, this is c6b. The difference is it doesn't have the 35 centimetre wide tower tagged onto the end here, so it's just a nice even looking assembly of 55 centimetre wide, roughly 55 centimetre deep, 1.1 metre high basket towers, 3 large and 1 small basket in each tower. Bespoke worktop with I don't know what I've done there. Yeah, with a lip showing there. That's gonna, it might be useful. It's also going to prevent some access to the radiators, but if this is the area, excuse me fiddling around here a minute, if this is the area where we've got a radiator in the back, we could also use this idea of a lip we could have a cutout so the radiator can work, and we can bring all of the towers forward so the radiator is in effect hidden. Just an idea, thinking aloud there. I'll shut up and get on with the next one.